Pickles, also known as gherkins, are small cucumbers that undergo fermentation in salt water or vinegar. Originating in India, they have been a part of our diet for over 4,000 years. Let's explore some of the most significant advantages they offer. 1. Help with dehydration. Pickles and pickle juice both consist of a high amount of sodium, as well as some potassium and magnesium. Due to this composition, they serve as a natural source of electrolytes. As a result, they are often utilized for post workout rehydration and are highly favored by numerous popular athletes in the sports industry. 2. Improved gut health and digestion. Good quality pickles contain a substantial amount of easily digestible fiber, prebiotics, as well as probiotics. Both play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. Pickles aid in the promotion of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system, which helps with issues such as constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, or diarrhea. 3. Muscle cramps and menstrual pain. Consuming pickles can provide immediate relief for muscle cramps, particularly for the night ones, as well as menstrual pain during your period. This can be attributed to the combination of electrolytes and lactic acid present in pickles. In fact, lactic acid, along with the other acids found in pickles and pickle juice, facilitates the absorption of electrolytes into the body, precisely where they are required. 4. Acid reflux, heartburn. Heartburn occurs when the pH level of stomach acid becomes excessively alkaline and the valve connecting the stomach and esophagus fails to close properly. The presence of lactic acid, as well as other acids in pickles and pickle juice, aids in the healing of acid reflux by effectively restoring the pH level within the stomach to a healthy balance. 5. Blood sugar control. Incorporating pickles along with other fermented foods into your diet can have a positive impact on the pancreas and its role in insulin production. This is particularly significant for individuals aiming to maintain normal blood sugar levels. Therefore, if you have elevated blood sugar levels, it is advisable to consider consuming pickles at least 3 times a week to harness their potential benefits. 6. Improved immunity. The probiotics pickles contain are an important part of the immune system and help to protect the body against harmful viruses and other pathogens. They protect the lining of the intestines and act as a firewall against invaders. Important notice. When selecting pickles, it's important to be mindful of certain factors. Opt for pickles that have been fermented using only water and salt, as this is the preferable method. Alternatively, pickles fermented with apple cider vinegar can also be a good option, if available. It is advisable to avoid pickles that contain added sugar whenever possible. It is crucial to never purchase pickles that have been fermented using sodium benzoate. This ingredient can pose significant health risks and has been associated with various negative side effects. Take care of your body. It will pay off.